Okay, once again, we are doing 50 sports cars, 2 Corvettes and a Mercedes 300 SL. I'm choosing first with the MR Slotcar Corvette with the deep sills, and it's fairly new. Oops. Starter's tower review. Shiggy's in second with the 300 SLR. It's a front motor Scalextric. These are all skinny tires. The Corvettes aren't original tires. And Joel's in third with the roadster version of the Corvette. Took the top off so we can tell which is who. All right, let's try this one more time and see if we can manage to get it going with fuel correct. All right, here we go.
You got me
Payback. Between the rails, guys, between the rails.
Ready?
Okay. Yeah, the blue one's almost dead. Why they go so slow?
Don't fall off. See? Yeah, I do.
Uh-oh. The blue. Yeah. Oh, you missed it.
Oh no! Okay, I'm stuck. And I forgot how you start fueling. Both
Oh,
buttons?
push just the lane change.
Lane change.
Guess I gotta get those things faster, don't I?
Oh my. They were 22 or something. They need to be lane swap too.
Yes. Where's the blue one?
Orange is right there, blue is right in front of you.
Oh, Yeah, just the blue one needs to be changed.
No, the orange one's in the wrong lane too.
Oh, they just switched lanes?
I bet.
No, I knocked the
He-
orange one and it, when it switched.
He was trying to change lanes while pushing it.
Oh, I see. Yeah, all that does is put it in front of you further.
Well, I pushed the button a little too soon.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you gotta back off quite a bit on them.
Especially when they're going that slow.
Yeah, really. Okay, are we ready?
I guess it's me.
Yep.
Oh my.
What's the matter? Is your car, Joel's car dead?
He wasn't.
I thought it wouldn't go, it wouldn't switch fuel.
Oh.
Or it wouldn't switch into pit.
He was being pushed by the ghost car.
Oh.
And it wouldn't change lanes. So,
Shit.
Joel, go ahead and
Yep.
Hit both of them.
hit both of them and then hold down the lane change.
Okay, ready?
Oh man! Oh, just by the skin of my teeth.
So you threw the needle?
Yeah, I
Oh.
threaded the needle.
How did I do that? I just drove off. That was weird. Went through there exactly the way I have been.
And it just flew off.
It just went straight
Straight.
off.
Lost the front end. Severe understeer. Bang.
Wasn't fuel load. Ready?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Roadster is on the lane change.
Okay. Yep. Should I check to see how they're doing speed wise?
Yeah, might as well.
Did either of them seem slow?
I didn't encounter either of them except the orange was really
Yeah,
slow.
they're both slow.
The orange was really slow.
Okay.
It wasn't moving at all.
Smart ass.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, they still do well.
Fine. Put another one on the orange. Because
Yep. Quick one. Okay.
Ready?
No, not yet. Wait a minute. I gotta find my. Yeah, there it is. Okay.
Three.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, that took a lap and a half to get by the blue ghost car that time.
Oh, now the blue one's too fast.
Just gonna get by it.
Yeah, but if you had to slow for the other one or something, it's gonna. Yes, probably.
And that was a fork.
Well, we don't want the ghost cars to be pushing. That's, oh, the ghost car put itself on. It's going too fast.
Must be speeding up.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm on there. I might get the big spot.
Yeah, you're far from it.
Okay.
Adjust the.
Oh, yeah.
He'll put himself off by tapping the button.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
The orange one sped up too. It's at 26 now. You got it at 24.
Damn, I'm out of gas again.
No, I'm almost
No.
out. Well, I'm almost out of gas, but
You have 28.
yeah. No, I have 10.
It's pointed at Joel.
Oh, Joel has 20. Yes.
Ready?
Yep.
The blue one's speeding up.
Oh.
Red eye?
Yep. What was that about?
What?
You let me through. That's unusual.
I wasn't sure that I could even get past the ghost car, which I still am struggling with.
I want a different car. I'm gonna drive in your car.
I'm doing good.
That's funny.
Yeah. I've been off down here.
You've been off down there driving my car, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe we should put lane stickers on the cars if they're too similar.
Let's see, where am I?
You're right there.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
over there, Joel, you're over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know exactly
All right,
where
go
I am.
ahead.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, I
Think he's
ran
out
out
of
of fuel.
fuel, yeah.
I missed that.
On the top.
Still got my fuel sorted. Who's the best way not to pull the trigger?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Fuel numbers. Blue was fast and the orange one's slow. Oh! That was dumb. That was just pure dumb brain phase. That was weird.
Yeah, that was
Who
weird.
restarted it? I'm the one that crashed.
All right. Are we ready now? Yep.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
That orange was barely moving. Like we just found out. No little cars, no boys, no.
Ha! The idea
And it got you. Yeah, your orange one needs to be sped up.
Yep.
Yeah, I actually changed lanes to get by it.
You did?
Yeah,
I saw you go through there. I thought, oh, it's clear.
I was in the other lane.
I didn't realize
That's
that.
why. 14. Oh, boy.
Why is it not open the screen?
We don't
wish it would hold the number that I put in. All right, go ahead.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, you must have hit the other one. Remember,
Oh.
only one for
Yeah,
pit.
I forget that.
Okay.
Sorry. I forgot to move the cursor off my fuel message.
Oh, sorry. I'll move that. Is that better?
Yeah. Most useful when I'm actually refueling.
Yeah.
Because the bars will look like you're full, and you're not.
Yeah.
It seems like it takes a long time to get through.
Got ghosted. Well, your knee seems much better, Shiggy.
It is. It's a little stiff right now.
Yeah, he knocked
That's what I wanted to do.
He knocked me off.
Well, it hit you, so that means it goes in front.
Yeah, right. All right, you ready?
Yep.
That was my first off.
Is it?
Yeah.
You have another one. Everybody ready?
Yep. Oh. Oh.
Oh, yes. Get that slow number 3 out front. He just barely tapped my butt.
I know.
Tap you. Yeah. Behind me.
Yeah, I was behind him. And I had a increase in power from the simulation, and it was just enough to tap him. I felt it. It was really weird. All right, you ready?
Yep. Oh, I screwed up. I didn't look. Everything okay?
Wait, where am I?
You're down right there.
Oh,
You're right
okay. Thanks.
Yeah,
Yep.
This me? Oh, it's you. Ready?
Yep.
Ah! Jeez. Ready?
Yep. Oh, I missed it. Shit.
Oh no!
Oh, you bugger! Ran right straight into me.
Not me. Must have been Shiggy,
I
huh?
know it was a ghost car.
Ghost car.
Ghost car ran right into me. Hey, it's like, wait a minute, time out. Did it again. Oh,
Roll into it, Mike. If he goes down if I tap you.
okay, see if you can do it.
I don't think I missed it.
Oh, like ghost cars are going like mad.
Yep. And together.
Oh yeah.
Well, the turn case, I mean, I guess.
Well, that was threading the needle on that thing.
Whoa! I got T-boned by the nose car on the front straight doing the lane change and kept going.
Oh, wow. They almost did it again.
I'll learn you after driving to somebody. Ah! Okay.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm just looking at the situation.
Yeah. Ready?
Here we go. Looking at the wrong car again. Oh, I'm off.
I got it.
Couldn't quite get to you, honey. Nope.
You were trying, I could tell. You were all over the place.
Oh, I set my fast lap too.
Oh, good for you. All right, Phil. Ah!
Ready?
Yep.
Looking at the right car?
Yeah, I am.
You sure?
I'm positive. I'm staring at it. I'm not even looking down the road.
Oh, God.
Down in Toulouse, I had problems with one of my cars, and Chance loaned me his spare car, and we did the lap stint side by side in identical cars. Ready?
Yep. Cool.
I may have done 2 fewer stops than either of
Really? How come?
you. I was only using full throttle, most of the time only using full throttle on the front straight.
Huh.
From,
Why? Just
from there to here, I kept steady throttle. It's like, maybe I can do an economy run.
yeah, really.
And
Gonna grab your car and
get the roadster.
Here, I'm gonna do the pictures right away.
Need your car down.
Oh, it's not a bad car though, Jim.
No, it's not, it's a fun car to drive.
Yeah. They're supposed to come out with a Ferrari and an Aston Martin with the same chassis like that, so we'll have 4 of them with only 2 of them the same. That was a mistake. I pre-ordered it from 2 places and didn't realize it.